In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account password on Booking.com. Whether you want to update your password regularly or you've forgotten it and need a reset, I'll walk you through both approaches clearly so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, let's cover updating your password when you can log in. Open Booking.com in your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to your account area by tapping or clicking your profile or account icon. In the settings, look for a section labeled Security or Password. The exact wording can vary depending on the app or website layout, so don't worry if it looks slightly different. If you see an option to change your password, select it. You'll be asked to enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm the new one. Save your changes to finish. For a strong password, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you don't see a change option in your interface, that's okay. Some users don't. In that case, use the reset method I'm about to show you. If you can't log in or you want to create a new password from scratch, start at the Booking.com login page and choose Forgot Your Password. Beneath the sign-in form, enter the email address associated with your Booking.com account. Booking.com will send a reset email to that inbox. Open the email and click the reset link. This link takes you to a secure page where you'll type your new password and confirm it. Submit, and you're all set. You can now sign in with your new password. If the reset email doesn't show up within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. It can also help to make sure you're checking the correct email account linked to your Booking.com profile. Reset links typically expire after a short time, so if it's been a while, request a fresh one from the login page. That's all there is to it. Use the in-account change option when it's available, and switch to the reset route if you can't log in or don't see the change option where you expect it. Keep your password unique and hard to guess to help protect your bookings and saved details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Booking.com password with confidence.